Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to check if a number is a Harshad number using JavaScript. A Harshad number is divisible by the sum of its digits. It is a neat concept from recreational math and a fun coding exercise. Let's see how we can easily write this. Let's see how we can easily write the code to test this. In a Harshad number, you add up all its digits and see if the original number is divisible by that sum. For example, 200's digits sum to 2, and 200 divided by 2 is 100. No remainder. So it is a Harshad number. We write a function to do this check automatically. Here's the function breakdown. We first convert the number into a string so we can loop through each digit. For each digit, we convert it back to an integer and add it to a running total. Then, we convert the original string back to a number. Finally, we check if the original number is divisible by the digit sum with the modulo operator. Step by step, we convert the number to a string to handle each digit easily. We then loop over the string, summing digit values. We convert back to number to use modulo for divisibility. And if the number is 0, we return true. Otherwise, we return false. This lets us know if the number is Harshad. Here's how our function performs on its simple inputs. 113 digits sum to 5, but 113 modulo 5 is 3, so false. 171 digits sum to 9, and 171 mod is 0, so true. 200 digits sum to 2, and 200 modulo 2 is also 0, so true. This confirms our function works perfectly. Now, Harshad numbers appear in recreational math puzzles and challenges. They are great for practicing digit manipulation and divisibility in code. These concepts build a strong foundation for understanding number properties, useful in interviews and algorithmic thinking. Plus, they're just plain fun to explore. To summarize, we've created a function that checks if a number is Harshad by summing its digits and verifying divisibility. This combines string processing and math in a simple and elegant way. It is a perfect little coding exercise to boost your number manipulation skills. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.